Welcome to the We Never Walk Alone video series. If you would like to know more about We Never Walk Alone, the nationwide peer support and mental health professionals network for law enforcement, please check out the video We Never Walk Alone, Stronger Together in our video series. In today's video, we will be discussing how to manage your peer support availability status. In order to manage your availability status as a peer supporter, you will have to log into your account on the website WeNeverWalkAlone.org. This is one thing that cannot be done from the mobile app. You will need to enter your department email ID, your password, and then click the Login button. On the far left side of the next screen, click on the My Profile button. We appreciate all of our volunteer peer supporters. You are what make We Never Walk Alone a valuable tool for law enforcement agencies. Your default setting on the platform is available, but we realize that everyone needs some downtime to stay at their best. When you do need to be unavailable for some reason, click the Remove Availability button to set your time off from peer support duty. Once you have clicked the Remove Availability button, you will need to enter the date on which you will begin being unavailable in the first box and how many days you will be unavailable in the second box. A calendar will then appear on the screen. You will need to set your unavailable status at least 2 work days prior to beginning your absence. Your unavailability status can be set for no more than 14 days at a time. The screen will then state the length of your absence, giving the starting and ending dates and times. Please read this information carefully to make sure that these dates are correct, and then click either Confirm or Cancel. Should your plans change or you become available earlier than planned, you may log into the site again and press the Remove Scheduled Time Off button from the My Profile page. Please note that you will automatically become available when the scheduled period expires. You don't have to do anything. When you are unavailable, officers logging into the system will see a red dot beside your name and will be unable to call you. When you are available, a green dot appears beside your name. We hope that you know how valuable you are to those officers in need and will keep yourselves available as often as possible. That's it. Enjoy your time off. Thanks for having the backs of all our law enforcement community so that we never walk alone.